this is Vanessa from the Digital Siren, and in this video I'm going to do a flip through of my brand new planner from the new coffee and paper collection. So here we have the cover, and here is the beginning of the planner, the homepage. So as you can see, this planner has a wonderful brown, neutral, very classic color scheme and some very tasteful flower decoration. Here on the home page, you have a space to write your name, and at the bottom we have some link. The first link is to sign up to my mailing list to get some free monthly stickers. The middle link is to visit my shop if you are interested in getting more stuff. And the last link is to contact me directly by email if you have any questions, if I can help you with anything. So here we are going to flip one more, and this is the index. You can also access this with the top left icon in the corner. So here, just again, you have all of the months that you have in the tabs up the top, but they are also here, and the links from the navigation, home, year view, templates, stickers, and the extra sections, which you can find in the left bar on the left hand side, are also on this page. It's just an index where everything is. And here in the template section, you have all of the extra templates that you can use throughout the whole planner. You can copy these and paste them wherever you like. We have some yearly layouts, monthly, weekly, daily, and some extra pages. A little bit later, we're gonna go through all of these, but for right now, let's just move on. Here's an empty page that you can use to store some of your favorite stickers. We have here with the brown paper, but if you flip one, we also have a white background sticker page that you can use. These you can duplicate and copy as many times as you like to fit all of your stickers. And some of these stickers that I would suggest putting right here are the free stickers that come with this planner as a bonus. So let me go pick them up to show you. Right here, the coffee and paper functional kit. So this is actually the last page, so we're gonna go backwards. These are all the dates that you can use to date the planner because it is an undated. So you can use these stickers here to quickly date your planner. We have some bill due, rent, and appointment stickers here. Some icons, boxes, arrows, and months. Here we have some little washies and banners, dots, and some speech bubbles. And here in the first page, we have some sticky note stickers. As you can see, these colors match the planner perfectly, so they are great to use with it. And what you can do here is lasso some of these stickers, copy, and you can paste them here in your sticker page so that you can have a quick access to them and use them later all throughout your planner. And next, this planner, we also have some extra sections. So here, if you tap the one in the left bar, we have a section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So in these sections, you can paste some page to add some notes, maybe a fitness section, a budget section, whatever you like. Another thing that I want to show you here is the year view. So as you can see here, I already started and dated some of these months. So all that I did is just zoom in here and, just with my Apple Pencil, write in the numbers here in these little calendars. The calendars are actually hyperlinked. So if you tap on the calendar, you go directly to the month view. So here, for example, we have the month view for April. As you can see, very cute, but neutral. And if we tap on a month flag, week 1, week 2, week 3, the brown flags that you can see here, let's say week 2, we go directly to the weekly view. And if we tap on the top left calendar here, we go back to the month view. So this is how the navigation works for this planner. Very easy to navigate. You can also use the tabs at the top to go directly to a month. So here we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So we have these beautiful tabs here, and if you flip one, from the tab, then you have your month view here. So this planner, I actually started using it myself in January. So let me show you what I have. Here, January is some of what I did right here. So as you can see, I'm actually not a very freely planner. I just like to write my stuff and pretty much be done with it. And this is what is really great to do with this planner, because it is pre-decorated. It's already super cute, so you can just plug in your information. If you don't have that much time, then you can just write what you have going on, and it's still so super cute because the planner is pre-decorated. So here are some of the other weeks that I've filled up. Let me show you quickly just how I did that. So right, so first we have the calendar here in the corner. What I did is, if I go to the year view, so I told you before that I zoomed in and wrote all of these numbers just by hand. Took just a minute. What I can do is lasso these, copy, and then go back to my week and paste them here. And that works because that mini calendar is built on the same frame with the same proportions, so it will fit if you use the yearly view and then you use the same numbers here. It will fit perfectly. So then what I would do simply is use a brown color here to input my numbers. So right on the side. And then I take my highlighter with a brown color, and I would just make a little circle around the number to highlight it. Like that. And what I like to do as well is highlight the week on the little calendar like this, so we know which week it is. And then I can just use my pencil to write, the week of 11th of December to 17th of December. Right here. And we're just ready to go. I can just write my top 3 goals for the week here and then input my info right here. What I like to do is make like a little box like that, so then when it is done I can just mark it with the highlighter, and that's pretty much, that's all there is to it. And it's so super cute because the planner is already pre-decorated, so there's very little to do. But this planner also gives you freedom. If you do want to put a lot of stickers and decorations, you can absolutely do that too. And if you're familiar with my planners, you might notice that this layout is a little bit different. I modified the weekly layout in this one. I put the little month and also the top 3 goal boxes at the top instead of putting them on the left side. And this way, the columns for each day can take the entire width of the page, and that makes it so that we have more space to write the text. And since I've been using this planner already for a couple weeks, I can tell it makes a big difference for me personally. I have a smaller iPad, and it's really made a big difference to have this huge space to write all of my stuff. So I really like that I made this change, and I hope that you will like it too. Lastly, we're just gonna go see all the templates in this planner. So we're gonna start at the top and just flip through them. So first here we have a future log with a little flower at the bottom, super cute. Here we have a vision board, a yearly habit tracker. Here we have a version of the monthly layout, but with no text and decorations. A monthly habit tracker. And here we have a layout with a month on one page and an empty page on the right hand side to write anything that you would like. And this is an outline version of that same thing. Here we have an alternate weekly layout. And this is a week on one page with a diary journal thingy on the right hand side. So top 3, to do, gratitude, notes. This is a week on one page with a to-do list on the side. And the same thing with an empty page. Here we have a weekly habit tracker. And this is the outline version of our main weekly layout that's used all throughout the planner. If you like to do your own decoration, for instance, and you don't want to have anything in your way, then you can use this layout to have like a blank slate to start over from the beginning. And these are outline versions of all the layouts that we've previously seen. And these are the daily layouts. So this is the pre-decorated daily journal layout. Here we have, some boxes for gratitude, appointments, notes, all of that stuff. We have an outline version of that same thing. And here we have the daily schedule layout. So on the right hand side, you have places for your appointments from 4 a.m. to midnight in increments of 15 minutes. So plenty of space. And the outline version of that same thing. Lastly, we have the extra note pages that you can use, especially in the extra section. Perfect place to use these. So this is the decorated lined layout, decorated corner. This is a grid layout, perfect for bullet journaling. This is a dot grid and an empty page. And here we have the plain version of all these same layouts. So this is a plain lined, Cornell, grid, dot grid, and the empty. And I'm pretty sure that's it. Yep, here we go. Here we're back at the year view. And I think, I made a vision board for myself as well using my vision board layout. So you can see that here. And I made some notes like that here. So I've really started using this planner, and I'm having a lot of fun so far. It's a great planner, and I think you will like it. So this is the coffee and paper planner. Thank you for being here. I hope you enjoyed the flip through. If you would like to get this planner, I will leave a link in the description where you can go get it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.